What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you guys are having a fabulous freaking day. This is the second video of the multi-part video of the EasyGo, the 1999 EasyGo TXT series cart that we last video put a lithium battery in, and now we're going to be doing some Nokins seat cushions. Look at this seat cushion from Nokins, guys. Link in the description below. They are an amazing company. As you know, they pretty much helped me build my entire club car, and I was extremely thankful for them. They did a great job, and they decided, hey, you got this TXT, we want to help you with that as well. So there's the back seat. So we're going to be replacing this yucky seat with that, basically. We're gonna put Sky in the, there we go. Oh, look, Sky. See, look at that. Yucky to good. Hold that back up again for a screen thumb. There we go. Yucky, good. Look at that. Yucky, good. There you go. So these are pretty easy to do. These seats here come off, and you take, hold on a minute. You take the bolts out of here, you take the bolts out of there. It actually comes with other parts, which I think are in the steering wheel box, actually. So these are the seat covers here. They're very, very nice. Temco. Yes. So it comes with a whole bag of, it gives you new hinge plates and everything. So Nokin supplies hinge plates. Hell, new plates for the bottom, but we're not going to put them in because they're riveted in. We don't need to. We're just going to use them plates there. But these are pretty easy to put on, and obviously the back seat's pretty easy to put on. I think what we're going to do, Sky, is let's do the back seat first. How's that sound? All right, let's do it. All right, so we're going to do a little magic trick here to get this back seat on. 3, 2, 1, get it on. And it's on. Look at that. Oh, wait a minute. We forgot something. We forgot the seat cover. We got to get the seat cover out. Grab the seat cover out. They make very nice diamond stitch seat covers, guys. And the cool part about it is they give you very nice color instructions on how to install your seat covers from Nokins.
Wait, is the bottom one?
There's two of them. There's actually a bottom and a top. They're inside of each other. Yeah, they're inside of each other. Is that the top one? All right, slam that sucker on. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, man. Nice. So now we have the Nokins seat back on and the Nokins cover, as you guys can see. Very nice diamond stitch, black on black. That is a comfortable seat. Same cover that I have on my club car, and I love the material that they make these seat covers out of. They are very nice. You can find them on Amazon. I think they're like 90 bucks or something. They're not badly priced for a nice cushioned seat cover. So, and they look like a real, like an actual seat. Not that seat, because that's all messed up. But yeah. Now let's get this one on. You ready? Go. You know the drill. You know the drill. Hold on. Let me get in position. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Sky, you missed something. What'd you miss? Lift the seat up. Anchor it up. We forgot the seat cover, Goofy. Oh. Put it down. Where's the seat? There. Grab the seat cover. Right. God, I gotta tell this kid everything. Grab the seat cover. Put the seat cover on. And the seat cover's on, guys. Look at that. Very nice Nokins seat covers on the brand new Nokins cushions. What do you think? All right, guys. The golf cart is pretty much completed at this point. We have a few more parts coming from Nokins. Like I said, a rear seat. We got rear seat covers coming for it. We're actually might be getting some wheels for this too. So maybe some wheels. And we have our plan. We figured out how we're going to lower this freaking golf cart. And it's going to be stupid freaking awesome. What do you think? You super excited?
Super excited.
Super excited. And we're also going to paint the golf cart too, because obviously we don't want this green body here, so we're going to paint it. Comment below what color you guys think would be a cool color. I'm thinking a baby blue. What do you think? Like a baby blue? And we are going to keep it topless. We're probably not going to put a roof on this thing. I kind of like it topless. Like, I don't want a roof on it. I think it'll look cool, especially with the back seat lowered, slammed down with wheels and rims, tires and rims on it. It's gonna look freaking great. But huge thank you to Nokins for helping us with this golf cart. We have a few more products coming for them: headlights, taillights, all that fun stuff from that company. Link in the description below to go check them out. And cool, guys. Yeah, we're gonna keep building her. It's gonna be cool to see the final product once she is completely done and slammed down to the ground. It's gonna be pretty cool. So as per usual, hit that subscribe bell, a notification tab, share, like, follow, and deuces.